Platinum Tech's 3-piece lock ring pliers set includes pliers with 3 different tips. There is a right angle, bent, and straight tip. They are made from high carbon alloy steel for durability, with plastic dipped handles designed for enhanced comfort and grip. The pliers have knurled jaws that can hold lock rings securely. They also have spring action jaws that make it close with minimal effort. They can be used on brakes, transmissions, differentials, and many other parts. The pliers can remove, install, and spread lock rings with or without holes. Also, the pliers are made in the USA. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.